know, Oneida's been an injection molder on this site now for 50 years. I think Oneida, even though it's a small business, has some world-class capabilities. I would say our vision for this company has been and continues to be to invest in technology for growth. One of the things we're really proud of is that this year, over a third of our sales will come from product development projects where we worked with our customers on the front end of the product development cycle so that we could ensure the most robust plastic part for our customers.
The process is called hydrographics. The majority of what we're doing is dipping gun parts, putting camouflage onto the guns. What we do is we pull a film across a table, then it's pulled across the body of water, and it's set there to hydrate for a certain amount of time depending on the film. And then an activator is added to that, and at that point it literally will turn that into a liquid. And then we put the guns right into it, and it's called an immersion. When it comes back up, it is camouflaged, or whatever the pattern is goes on to it. I don't know, I guess we call it the wow factor. So, it's fun, just kind of, it makes you feel good you're doing something that's actually getting out there and people are seeing.
I think the greatest advantage is that we are able to utilize the team members and the technology that we have here to look at the customer's model or their idea and be able to recommend what it takes to really mold that plastic part to the highest standards possible. Some of the greatest capabilities we have is that there's not many products that we're afraid to tackle. We consider ourselves the plastic experts, so our customers don't have to be the plastic experts. They have to know what the form and function of that product needs to be at the end to meet their exact requirements. So we're able to take that, put our twist on it, if you will, and design in the best attributes into that product for plastics. Every day is different. We are a custom shop, so there's a lot of activity. Our customers demand on-time deliveries. They want accelerated product launches. And I think that energy inside the business is what drives all of us to do a little bit better every single day.